Welcome! In front of me I have Realme Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. You can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu, like this. And in the watch face menu, you can swipe left and right on the screen to scroll through the list of watch faces. Now, find the watch face you want to use or you like to use, and then tap on it to select it and apply it, like this. You can also change the watch face through the settings on your watch, so we can wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and then tap on the settings icon. And in settings, you should see the option called watch faces. You can tap on it to open the watch face menu, scroll through the list of watch faces, tap on the watch face to select it, and apply it. Another thing you can do is to use the phone application. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can change the watch face through the application. So let's move the watch right here, bring the phone, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen, like this. And now we can open the Realme Link application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home screen, and on the list of my devices, you should see the Realme Watch 3. Tap on it, and here tap on Face Gallery. And in the Face Gallery, you should see the category called My Faces. This is the list of watch faces installed on your watch, and you can tap on them to select them and apply them, like this. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.